Welcome to GSM Land. Today I will show you an unboxing for Sony HDR PJ650VE. For starters, it is a full HD flash memory video camera with 32 GB, incorporated with the projector, a G-objective, CMOS X-R sensor, and Wi-Fi ready. It also incorporates balanced steady shot optic stabilization. The package has a pleasant design that shows a photo along with a series of camera specs. Inside, we find some instruction manuals for the video camera that occupy almost half of the box. Then, we have the cables, specifically the HDMI, followed by the USB, being an extension cord of the already attached USB to the camera, and the charging cable. Next, we have a sun hood, an adapter ring, and the camera accumulator, along with the remote control. The last piece from the box, and the most important one, is the Sony HDR PJ650VE video camera. Notice its ultra-compact and stylish design. Weighs 450 grams, which is okay for a camera. Now, we are going to put in the battery. And we will start by turning on the camera, but we won't test many of its features yet, considering the fact that this is an unboxing. In terms of display, it is a 3-inch, not that big or small, taking into account that the camera dimensions are pretty reduced, making it easy to handle. Aside from that, I can tell you that the optic balance steady shot stabilization feature is 13 times more efficient than the standard image stabilization, so that you will obtain impeccable results each time you use it. Rapid movements can be captured in fine detail, thanks to the advanced high-speed BIONZ image processing. It assures a better quality of the image and a grand performance when shooting subjects in rapid movement. The incorporated projector has 20 lumens and projects images up to 250 centimeters, that's 100 inches. If you put a Wi-Fi adapter separately, you can rapidly send MP4 films to a smartphone or tablet. Then you can share them online. The G-objective has a panoramic wide angle of 26.5 millimeters. Thus, the frames you take include more space and nothing can be left behind. The GPS feature locates the films on the map, tags each clip right in the middle of the action, along with the X-R CMOS sensor that helps you to film or shoot with a reduced image sound or even with low lighting. The audio part has also an advanced processing that detects wind intensity and cuts sound for a clear recording of the soundtrack. The price of this camera is almost 1,000 euros at Sony, but it's worth it in my opinion. That's all for today. We will see you on the next clips with more information.